Hey guys, welcome to Show and Tell Toys.
Alright, check it out. Transformers Robots in Disguise. And I've got a few different waves here. Wave 1 with Bumblebee, Optimus Prime, Steeljaw, and Strongarm. Wave 2, Grimlock and Sideswipe. Wave 3, Fixit and Underbite. Wave 4, Alpine Strike Sideswipe and Night Ops Bumblebee. Wave 5, Patrol Mode Strongarm and Ultra Magnus. Wave 6 was Clampdown, Autobot Drift, Thunderhoof, and Windblade. So pretty cool Legion class Transformers Robots in Disguise. But now I've got some new waves coming out. Okay. So here is Wave 7 with Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime. Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime, pretty cool looking. And Autobot Ratchet. Awesome. Finally got a Ratchet for this Legion class. That's pretty cool. But also, that's Wave 7. Also, Wave 8. Wave 8 with a new packaging. It's Decepticon Groundbuster. So there's Decepticon Groundbuster and Autobot Drift, but it's Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. So he's not orange, he's in his Blizzard Strike color right there. So that's pretty cool. And one last wave is Wave 9, and that is Bisk, the crazy lobster shrimp looking car. So Wave 9 is Bisk. So that is all of them as of right now. So Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So let's open up this 7, 8, and 9 wave and check them out. Okay, so here we go. We got Wave 7, Wave 8, and Wave 9. Bisk is all by himself. So let's start with Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime. Here is Wave 7. And the backs are pretty much all the same. This is a 5-step transformer. So let's open up this Blizzard Strike Optimus and get him out of here. And check him out. So there we go. There's the Optimus Prime. Just like the other Optimus Prime. It's just a different color. And it's probably going to transform the same way. But this is the Blizzard Strike. And here is the regular Optimus Prime. So he looks about the same, just has a different paint job. He's not, he doesn't transform any different. Okay, so let's transform Optimus. Here we go. We'll flip his head back just like this. Okay, so let's move on to the second one, which is Autobot Ratchet. And the back is pretty much the same as the others, a 5-step Ratchet. But this has been long awaited, this Autobot Ratchet, so can't wait to get him out and transform him. He looks pretty cool right there in the picture. That's for sure. Okay, let's open him up. There we go. And also in these packages here, you've got your directions. Autobot Ratchet. So here he is, Autobot Ratchet. He's moved a little bit. He's pretty small, I would say. The head and things are pretty small, but we're going to transform him. We're going to check him out, what he looks like. You think he looks like Strongarm at all? We'll have to compare him to Strongarm once we transform him. Okay, so let's transform this Autobot Ratchet. And there is Ratchet. Now let's compare it to Strongarm. And yep, it's pretty much the same thing, just repainted for Ratchet. Transforms the same way and looks like the same vehicle. Yep, Ratchet, you're just a repaint. Okay, let's transform you back. Alright, let's move on to Wave 8, and here's a new one. It's Decepticon Groundbuster. So a new character, some people maybe never seen before. Looks pretty cool. And that's what it looks like, 5 steps. It looks like a big wrecking machine, right? Looks like a bulldozer or a caterpillar or something like that, but it looks like he's about to pound the ground. So let's open up Decepticon Groundbuster. And here we go. That comes with the instructions in case you need to figure out how to transform them. So here is Groundbuster. Pretty small little character. He's got one long claw right here, which I'm sure once we transform him, that'll be his little hook that he has. So that's pretty cool. So there is Groundbuster. Check out the caterpillar tracks behind them. Do they turn? Nope, but they do have wheels right here for him to roll. Okay, so let's transform this Decepticon Groundbuster. And there you go, there's Groundbuster. This can pivot both ways, and this kind of moves just a little bit, his little hook. Just like that. And this folds out too, but that's a cab for this caterpillar. So that's a pretty cool new character. Okay, let's transform him back. Okay, let's move on to the next one in Wave 8, and that is Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. So Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift, look at that paint job, looks pretty cool compared to the orange Drift, but he's a 5-step. So let's open him up and check him out. Uh-oh, it's taped. There we go. Got Drift out of the package, and he will probably transform just like the other orange one. So this is Drift. I like the new cool blue paint job with the light blue on the inside. That looks pretty cool. And when he transforms, these wheels will be light blue too. Okay, so let's transform this Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. And there we go, there's Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. And check it out, check those wheels out, pretty cool. I really like that paint job, it looks really cool. That's a definite thumbs up for sure. Let's check out the orange one. Okay, so here is the orange one, and as you can see, it's just a repaint. It's the same car, same Autobot Drift, but I like this new color, that's for sure. That looks really cool. So there's the orange one, and here is the Blizzard Strike one. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's transform him back. Okay, so let's check out the last one, which is Wave 9, and that is Bisk. And this car looks pretty cool, but check out that Transformer. That is definitely a Decepticon, for sure. So this lobster, shrimp-looking Decepticon, we're going to have to check out and see what he looks like. Okay, so let's get him out of the package. We've got another package that's taped closed. There we go. And there is Decepticon Bisk. He definitely looks weird, that's for sure. Check out those little tiny beady eyeballs. But I'm sure the car looks pretty cool when he transforms. Okay, so let's transform this Decepticon Bisk. You can see right here he's got those little claws and they open and close just like that. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's transform. And just like that, there is the car of Bisk. And it's a pretty cool looking car. It's got these little pointy parts right here on top. And you can see the feet right there. So it looks kind of lobster-like looking. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's transform him back. Alright, so there you go. There's a Transformers Robots in Disguise Wave 7, Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime, and Autobot Ratchet. And we got Groundbuster and Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. And Wave 9 is Bisk. So pretty cool new characters to add. And these two waves right here are the Minicon Weaponizers too, with the new packaging. So they're pretty cool. So pretty cool Transformers Robots in Disguise. What do you think of these Transformers? I really like this one right here, Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift. He's got the best paint job, I think. He looks really cool. Okay, so let's transform him one more time. So there we go. There are waves 1 through 9, and check them out. They all look pretty cool. I really like a lot of them. There's 21 of these Transformers Robots in Disguise, wave 1 through 9. But here are the newest ones, with Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime, Autobot Ratchet, Groundbuster, Blizzard Strike Autobot Drift, and Bisk. So pretty cool. What do you guys think? Who's your favorite character? Which one of these Transformers Robots in Disguise is your favorite character? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Well, that's it for this episode of Show and Tell. Make sure you check out my channel for other Transformers Robots in Disguise videos and for more exciting toys.
Do you like seeing really cool and exciting toys? Then click on the video that just popped up at the top of your screen. Or check out my channel for lots of different toys like cars, trains, rescue bots, Frank the Combine, Thomas and Friends, Star Wars Hot Wheels, Color Changers, High Tide, Transforming Lightning McQueen, Minions, Thomas, Inside Out, and many more. Show and Tell Toys is the place to be to see all kinds of new and exciting toys, so make sure you subscribe to stay updated to see really awesome toys from the Show and Tell Toys channel. See you there!